Good morning. Let us continue the problems of previous year's question papers. This question also has occurred in JEE Mains 2017. Okay, so let us start. Question: let a vertical AB have its end A on the level ground. Let C be the midpoint of AB and P be a point on the ground such that AP is equal to 2AB. If angle BPC is equal to beta, then tan beta is equal to options A 1/4, B 2/9, C 4/9 and D 6/7. Question: let a vertical tower AB have its end A on the level ground. Let C be the midpoint of AB and P be a point on the ground such that AP is equal to 2AB. If angle BPC is equal to beta, then tan beta is equal to options A 1/4, B 2/9, 4/9 and D 6/7. Okay, that is the question. Here we are given the details of a tower. Okay, then just draw a rough picture of that tower using the given information. Okay, we are given that the tower as AB, then just draw a straight line AB as its end point on the level ground as A. Then just take the point C as the midpoint of that straight line. Then mark another point P and join AP such that AP is equal to 2AB. Also given the angle BPC as beta. Then we have to find out the value of tan beta, that is tan of angle BPC. Okay, then just draw the rough picture of this tower using the given information and mark all these points. Okay, we will see after 5 minutes. Now let us draw the rough picture of the vertical tower AB. We are given that the vertical tower AB has its end point on the level ground as A. And C be the midpoint of AB. Now choose another point P and join AP such that this distance AP is the 2 times this distance. Now we are also given that angle BPC is equal to beta, that is angle BPC as beta. Then just choose this angle, that is angle APC as alpha. Now let us choose this distance, that is the distance between A and C. AC as M. Then this distance BC also M. since C is the midpoint of AB. Now the distance AB is 2m. So we can say that the distance AP is 4m. Since we are given that AP is 2 times AB. Okay, that is we have just chose the distance between A and C as m. Then this distance also the same since C is the midpoint of AB. Now the whole distance AB is 2m. So the distance AP is 4m since AP is 2 times AB. Okay. Now we find out the tangent of this whole angle alpha plus beta. That is, now we find the tangent of the whole angle alpha plus beta. That is tan alpha plus beta is equal to, we know that tangent is the opposite side by adjacent side, that is AB divided by AP. We are given that AP is 2 times AB. Then this becomes AB divided by 2AB. AB gets cancelled, so this becomes half. Okay. Now we find tan alpha. Tan alpha is AP, that is m divided by 4m. That's equal to 1 by 4. Now we have to find out the tangent of the angle beta, that is tan beta. We can just rearrange beta as alpha plus beta minus alpha. Okay, that is just rearrange beta as alpha plus beta minus alpha. Then tan beta is equal to tan alpha plus beta minus alpha. Okay, then just take this as a whole angle and take this as tan A minus B, which is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. That is tan alpha plus beta minus tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan alpha plus beta into tan alpha. Okay, now just to substitute these values here and simplify. Just do yourself. Now just substitute these values in the formula. Okay, that is tan alpha plus beta is half. So this becomes half minus tan alpha is 1 by 4. Half minus 1 by 4 divided by 1 plus half into 1 by 4. This becomes 1 by 4 divided by, here LCM is 8. So this becomes 1. 9 by 8. This becomes 1 by 4 into 8 by 9. It is 2 by 9. So, the value of tan beta is 2 by 9. Okay. That is, just draw the rough picture of the vertical tower and mark the points and just draw the given information. Just find out the value of tan beta by taking beta as alpha plus beta minus alpha, and then just take tan beta as tan A minus B and apply the formula and substitute the given values and simplify. Then we get the required answer as 2 by 9. Okay.